Good morning. It's 4:51. Time for a look at the markets, and Bryce Knorr from Farm Futures joining us. Good morning, Bryce.
Well, good morning, Mick.
Where do we start this trading week?
Well, pretty quiet in the overnight session until the start of trading in Europe. Then soybeans got a little pop. We're up 5 there, so recovering from Friday's sell-off, which I think was mainly options related. A lot of activity around the $10 strike price, but after the close, we had a bullish expiration with almost 1,000 puts abandoned that were in the money and about 325 out of the money calls exercised. So that has us set up for a little higher trade so far today.
Well, Europe took us down yesterday with the Greece economic woes. Are they bringing us up a little bit this week?
Well, we've at least got a tentative short-term deal in that Greek situation, so that has the financial markets breathing perhaps a little easier. However, the dollar posting some strong gains today, so that seems to be limiting any enthusiasm in wheat. And corn also a very flat trade so far today.
All right, last week it was USDA's Outlook conference that gave us some numbers that rattled the market a little bit. Are those in the rearview mirror yet?
I think pretty much, especially the soybean estimate for acreage caused a few eyebrows to be raised. Private surveys will start being done now. We'll be starting ours shortly to get a better idea of what farmers really plan to do. USDA's very low estimate, 83.5 million acres for soybean planting intentions. I think most people feel that's just too low, and USDA has a track record of underestimating soybean acreage in these February estimates.
All right. Over on the livestock side, what kind of a week can we expect in cattle trade?
Well, cattle's going to have to deal with the cattle on feed report. Showed placements down from a year ago, but a little higher than expected. We saw a weaker cash trade. Cash is still premium to futures, however, and that's the best hope for supporting us, along with the end of the strike at the ports on the West Coast should help export movement.
Excellent. Yes. Bryce, I see you, like a lot of us Northerners, are headed to Phoenix this week. You're going to be presenting at Commodity Classic.
Right. We'll be doing the early morning session on Thursday, 7 o'clock. So anybody who's out in Phoenix, put on your short sleeves and have breakfast with us.
All right. Looking forward to that. I'll see you down there, Bryce. Thanks a lot for bringing us up to speed on the markets this morning. It is 4:54 exactly now. Coming up next, another check of the forecast, and we'll give you a preview of what's coming up next on the Valley Today.